Rach, funny story. I bumped into Joanna on the street yesterday.
My boss, Joanna? Wow, that must have been awkward.
Well, no, actually, she asked me if I wanted to get a drink.
You, didn't say yes to that, did you?
No.
Hello, Rachel.
Well, not at first.
What is she doing here? I don't understand. Last time you went out with her, you said she was a big dull dud.
Well, I think I judged her too quickly. And this time, we were able to take the relationship to the next level.
Well, last time, I almost got fired. You must end it. You must end it now.
Oh, come on. It's not like this is an everyday occurrence for me. I mean, usually I'm pretty much just in there by myself.